guys can see, we got some tornado signatures coming right towards us, and they're not warned yet, but there's some pretty nasty hail and there's vortices, so they're only about 30-40 miles away from me, heading right directly towards me. So I'm storm chasing. I'm gonna do it. Alright, so we just went severe thunderstorm warn, moving at 35 miles an hour, coming right straight for me. So I'm pretty confident as soon as this car in front of me gets out of my way, I need to get some gas really quick, and then I'm gonna fly. So here we are. This is what we got. It's getting dark out quick, and we still got usually about 30-40 minutes worth of light left about this time. It is August, so but yeah, we're gonna, ooh, that was a good lightning bolt. That was another good one. A lot of CG, so that means this storm is getting really intense. Yeah, off to the south here, you can see it's still light out. It's just getting that dark out right now. Come on, storm, give me a good one right now. Just a little bit. This is kind of the same lightning that was in Iowa when I was down there. A lot of cloud to cloud, and then you get a lot of those CGs that just boom, like that. That was pretty good timing. US 141. So my plan is I'm gonna head out to, not hit anyone, Michigan area. There's a lot of, I guess, openings around there, especially with the lake. See if I can see anything coming in. That was a cool one. That was all around me. Yeah, I'm about 5 minutes away from there, and it's headed straight this way, so I think that's going to be my best play with it getting light out for whatnot, because you can see there's tons of trees, and we got a clearing now, but we get back into the thick of things, it gets kind of tree country. So I think I'm going to sneak into the state park there and watch it come across on the lake. That was a good one. Updated warning.
The National Weather Service in Michigan has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southern Houghton County in western Upper Michigan, southern Merida County in north central Upper Michigan until 9:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time.
Another storm up about an hour away. So if nothing else, you can just check out that little graphic right here, how much hail were directly coming towards us. It's in the purple there, so it's gonna be bad. This is a little intersection of Humboldt railroad crossing, mineral range. So we're gonna go check this stuff out and see what it does. Next little town up here is gonna be Champion, and then Michigan. So we should get a pretty good timing to it. Well, latest scan shows the hail's kind of petering out, which is all right, I guess. Maybe. That was a good one. Had a couple of these streakers along the bottom of these clouds that darted right across the right above me here. It's almost kind of like the last one came pretty damn close. And knowing me, I got a big 4-foot antenna on the roof of my Trailblazer. Go figure. Well, we'll see what happens. Okay, so this is Champion. That was a good one. And that storm is directly coming right for here. This is usually where I walk Bella over by Martin's Landing. So a lot of lightning around though. That's kind of crazy. Freaking crazy. It's always bad when you gotta pee this time. Whoa! That was a big one. Yeah, it's nuts when they light up like that. The top of the trees aren't really moving around that much. Would you hurry up? Oh, they're going to the same place we are. Figures. So we're coming into this little state park spot here. It's going to go out into the lake, and we're going to watch the storm come in. So here's the lake. That one was close. That storm is coming right for us. So hopefully this is about the clearest view I can think of, sitting here watching with it coming right at us. I don't think I'd want to be camping. Those folks over there are camping. Can't really see. Yeah, they're camping. So the storm is heading right for us. It's actually a little further that way, but it's all right. Then behind it, there's another one, so hopefully we get some good visuals on it. So it looks like that mezzo is dropping a little further south than where I'm at. So I'm gonna backtrack a little bit to the main trunk road that runs north-south and scoot south. Try to get under it. Storm is just starting here in Michigan, so I think most of the hail and everything's going to pass just south here. So I want to kind of intercept that and then intercept this mezzo that's floating, because it looks like there was another one popping up here too. Trailblazer. Okay, so about 3 minutes, it's going to be about right where we were just at. And as you can see, about, I don't know, a couple 5 minutes is going to be where I want to be. So hopefully I can get up. This truck's going a little slower for my taste, but I'm going to try to get up there and drop south. Man, I just missed a huge hole right in front of me. Holy cow. Okay, so we got about 10 minutes before the meat and potatoes gets down here by Republic where we want to be. The mezzo's kind of petering out, which is kind of frustrating, but there's another one formed just south of it. So now that we're on a north-south road, we can actually hightail it southbound if need be. It's actually a pretty good open road as well. Right there. Our buddy's coming up though. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. This severe storm will be near Three Lakes around 9:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Other locations impacted by this severe thunderstorm include Canyon Falls, Craig Lake State Park, Dead Lake, and King Lake. Thunderstorm warning for West Central Marquette County and North Central Upper Michigan until 10:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 9:25 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Lake Michigan, or 16 miles west of Cincinnati, moving east at 35 miles per hour. 60 miles per hour with gust and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. So we're not getting any of that. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. This severe thunderstorm will be near west-east winds around 9:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. East winds around 9:50 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. The north around 9:55 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Tomorrow. Republic. Oh, it's dark. So I'm going to try to drop down to Segola and there's a mezzo showing up down here, not very far from Downpours Republic here. So we'll drop down there. Unfortunately, the timing to be there is still going to be the timing where this one right now is going through, but it's kind of dying out. It's not showing any rotation or anything, so we'll see. It's getting kind of dark real quick. No hail though. Light over there. This is South Republic. Here's towards that storm. Yeah, here's where the meat is. It's starting to get a little windy. Most of the lightning's going to be fine. I'm going to drive here and try to get to my spot. Well, I bailed on southbound because that one died out quick. And kind of like that QLCS line set up. Stupid. Can't ever really get a good grasp on it. You just like jump from target to target. Well, good. We need the rain up here. So we got about 15 minutes to get to she kind of head home. Kind of looks like something up there. There's a big crosswind. There's a river. There's no hail. I was hoping for some hail. But yeah, over there, I guess through the light, you can kind of see it. Oh, here's the clearing. Right there. It's nothing now. Some debris coming down with the leaves. Nothing too terrible. Yeah, that one they just went severe thunderstorm warn. They that was the one we were busting down to go look at because it looked interesting, but yeah, it kind of petered out. So champ, it's going. Nothing. A lot of water. 5 minutes to get to our location. I don't think we're going to have that happen. Here's the majority of what we got going on. Yeah, that was my highlights and brights, so. Gotta slow down a little bit because who knows if people pull over or whatever. Turn those guys back on. He's staying the lines. Yeah, here's the hail. I like having my other phone up here too because I have the radar up all the time in our location. So, duly noted. Or just get some dash mounted cameras. Oh, both. We'll do both. Attention steer here, fellas. Then stand and turn right. Pull the gas station. Get right. Yeah, you turn. Yeah. Here's the intersection we're going to stop, 4195. Yeah, you can see it's flipping across pretty good. More towards our back now, so we should be able to get some gunning. But that storm's ahead of us now. You know, catching up to it at this point. Deer and moose do right now. Huh. Must not be too bad because weather radar is not even beeping on it, so I'll shut that off. I guess we're just gonna head home. Well, later. Fortunately, looks like it's going to go right over the house too. So there's some spots on 581 we can go eyeball for a minute. Got about, I think, 20 minutes to get there. Let's do it. Alright. You know when you're in the car by yourself and fart and it really stinks? You can't blame it on anyone else. Anyway, heading back towards my house. And you can see on this map right here, trying to drop down and get the hail. At least get something to go along with the lightning. Well, my latest scan of hail's pretty much diminished. We got some wind here, pretty wind and everything, but man, can't catch a break.